Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet coaster and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Elise Vivis cream yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown now, then make 3 chains and make 23 double crochet stitches inside the magic ring, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 1 with the shape. And close with slip stitch. Then I will start round 2. I will make 6 chains, then skip next stitch and make double crochet as shown now into the next stitch. Here into that stitch. Then I will make 3 chains and skip next stitch, then make double crochet and repeat that 10 times across the row, then close with slip stitch to finish round 2. I will make it and I will come back. Then I will start round 3. I will make 3 chains, then make 3 double crochet into the first space here, that is first double crochet, and that second double crochet, and that third double crochet stitch. Then I will make another double crochet stitch above that double crochet from the previous row as shown now. Then I will make 6 chains and close them with slip stitch on the top of last double crochet to make a picot stitch. Then continue making 3 double crochet into the next space as shown now. Then make double crochet above next double crochet, here make another double crochet, then continue making 3 double crochet into the next space and make double crochet above next double crochet as shown now. Then make a second picot stitch, so I will make 6 chains then close with slip stitch on the top of last double crochet to make a picot stitch, that is second picot stitch. Then I will continue with the same sequence across the row, then close with slip stitch to have 6 picot stitch at the end of that round. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 4. I will make 15 double crochet stitches into the first picot stitch from the previous row as shown now. I will make 15 double crochet stitches into that picot stitch. Then I will skip next 3 stitches and make slip stitch above the next stitch, then continue another shell. So I will make 15 double crochet stitches into the next picot stitch and repeat from the beginning across the row to have 6 shells at the end of that round. Then I will close with a gray color, close with slip stitch to finish that round. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 5. I will crochet with a gray color. I will make 17 chains as shown now. Then make triple crochet stitch here above that slip stitch from the previous row between two shells. Now I make a triple crochet stitch with that shape. I have a video on my channel for learn how to make a triple crochet stitch. Then I will continue with making 13 chains as shown now and make another triple crochet stitch above slip stitch between next 2 shells. Here into that stitch I will make triple crochet stitch, that is second triple crochet stitch. To make the bridge, I will continue with the same sequence across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 6. I will make 4 chains. Then make another 5 chains and close them. I mean 5 chains only. I will close them with a slip stitch as shown now to make a picot stitch. Then make another 4 chains again and skip next 10 chains from that string. I will count 10 chains and skip it. Then make slip stitch here into the middle of that line or string. Then make 40 chains again. I will repeat what I made before. I made 40 chains, then make 5 chains and close them with slip stitch to make a second picot stitch. Then make another 40 chains and make a slip stitch above next triple crochet stitch from the previous row with the chip. Then I will skip next 6 chains and make slip stitch. Now I will repeat with the same sequence again, 4 chains, then make another 5 chains and close with slip stitch to make a picot stitch. Then made another 4 chains and skip 6 chains and close with slip stitch to have the shape. Then I will continue with the same sequence across the row, then close with slip stitch. Now I finished that round. That is last process. So I will make 4 chains and made 5 chains again and close with slip stitch to make a picot stitch with the shape. Then make triple crochet stitch above first slip stitch from the beginning of that round here to close that round with the shape. I don't close it with slip stitch. Sorry, I said that before, but I'm sorry, it's wrong. I will close with triple crochet stitch with the shape to finish that round. To have that shape, then I will start another round. I will start round 7. I will make 4 chains, then make 12 triple crochet stitches into the next picot stitch. Here I will make 12 triple crochet stitch sorry. Now I finished make 12 triple crochet stitches, then I will repeat with the same sequence. So I will make another 12 triple crochet stitches into every picot stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. I finished that coaster with that shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.